two big challenges, I think, in this area for space utilization. One is simply planning, and the other is, gathering that sort of holistic picture. On the planning side, ultimately this comes down to the space planners, and their role is to ensure that employees have the space that they require to do their work most effectively. In its most simple form, that's the role of a space planner. And that's true whether it's your first day with the company, last day with the company, or somewhere in between. But the larger the organization, obviously the more challenging that is, because there's more people that they're trying to plan for. So the key to success in that role and successfully planning is knowing what changes are coming, whether that's new hires coming in, significant changes in force, growth or otherwise, but being able to gather that information, plan in good time, have different options and scenarios available depending on exactly what the business wants to execute on, and then being able to move forward on those options quickly is critical. And generally that can only be achieved where space planners are empowered with technology and data to ensure that they are flexible enough to adapt to changing needs that the business throws at them. When we think about that holistic picture, understanding allocation of people to space is only really part of the challenge when you're looking at utilization. You've also got bookable spaces, and then you've got real-time utilization, which is typically gathered by sensor data. So a space planner really needs to be able to understand allocated, bookable, and real-time utilization to get a full picture of how an office is being utilized. So gathering that data, understanding the trends that the data is then telling you, and being responsive to those trends is really where the challenge lies. And being adaptable, being able to quickly react is really what's going to help them overcome those challenges.